Hey buddy, it's Mr. Herman. Today back with another video on how to do these. We're going to be reviewing more fractions today. Today's fraction multiplication. Some with whole numbers, some with just fractions, but I don't think there's any mixed numbers today, but tomorrow we'll have some division. And then a combination of all those on Friday. So let's take a look at what we're doing today. There's once again one of these silly puzzle things, and then there's directions, and then here's the problems that you all want to do on a separate sheet of paper. Remember, do not do them on here. You kind of number them with these letters. Those are the numbers, kind of. The sum of the letters show up more than once. And then here's the puzzle part on the bottom. And again, you don't have to do the puzzle part if you don't want, but it's self-checking. That's why I'm not including a key. So when you get done, your answer should make sense. If it doesn't make sense, then you know something's wrong. I'm going to do 3 problems with you and show you how it kind of works. So let's do, I've picked 3 problems in advance that will work out to kind of be one of the words on here. So we'll start out with this one right here, and I'll kind of zoom in on it a little bit there for you to see it. So it's this one right here. So it's this O1. You should be doing them in order, but of course you can do them with me too for this first one. So it's O is the problem. It's -3 times 2/9. As a reminder, when we multiply fractions, we want to cross cancel. Also, you should not use a calculator for this. I said that in the description before, but lots of people just write answers down. You have to show your work like I'm doing, or I'm not going to give you credit for it. So I've returned a lot of those assignments yesterday because of that. So -3 over 1, and then here, 2 and 1 can't be canceled, but these share a common factor. I can divide them both by 3. So I divide the 3 by 3 to get 1, and a 9 by 3 to get 3. Then I get -1 times 2 is -2, and 1 times 3 is 3. So this one equals -2/3. So over here, down here, -2/3, I'm going to put an O in here. Okay, like that. And for the next one, we have, where's it at here? I have picked a certain one again for it to work here. This one right here. This U one here. U. So for this one, we're going to do -8/9 times 3/4. And again, see if I can cancel anything. I can actually cancel both ways here, which makes it nice. So the 9 and 3 can both be divided by 3. And the 8 and 4 can both be divided by 4. So it's 1 and 2. So I get -2 times 1. -2. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, they're not all going to be the same answer like they were in this case, but I picked these on purpose so that you can see how this works. As you do these, they're going to kind of spread out over the puzzle. They're going to spread around this thing. They're not going to be all over it. But I'm putting them in the same spot because I want you to see how it works. So then there's a U. The last one we're going to do is right down here. I'll move it over a little bit here so you can see it there. It's this Y right here. Okay, so this one, move it over just a little bit so you can see it better. There we go. We got Y. This one's 5/12 times -8/5. So here again, can I cancel anything out? I can cancel out the 5s. And the 8 and 12 we divide by 4. So that's 2 and 3. So 1 times -2. 3 times 1 is 3. Again, it won't always be the same answer, but I picked these on purpose so it will. So now you get down here, you put a U in here, a Y in here, because that's the 3 letters that happen to have that answer. When you do these problems on this page, 4 of them are going to equal 3/4. 1 of them is going to equal 2/15. 4 of them are going to equal -3 1/3. 2 of them are going to equal -2 2/5, and 3 of them are going to equal this. The answer, 5 5/6. Then when you get done, you try to make a word out of it. Well, I have to adjust this, and I have to kind of change things around. But remember, it's asking you a question. What did the dentist say to the golfer? Well, the first word I can make out of that. Maybe you can see what it is already. I would make that this word. So I'm unscrambling the letters to make that into a word. When you get these 4 letters, you'll unscramble those. That one letter won't need to be unscrambled. It's one letter, so it goes right there. Then these 4 letters get unscrambled, and so on to make a word. Had fun with this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.